Hey everyone, let's see this question 19. In it, we have given that K-means cluster algorithm, which is based on Euclidean distance, was run on a data set of 100 points with K is equal to 3. Okay. Now, if the points 1, 1 and minus 1, comma 1 are both part of cluster 3, then which one of the following points is necessarily also part of cluster 3? Okay. So, what I do, I'll quickly draw out these points. Unwritten about k-means algorithm, it makes centroids, and based on that centroids and based on this Euclidean distance and this k is equal to 3, it will make clusters. Okay, so let's say the centroid is here, so everything near this centroid which is not let's say there's three clusters, 1, 2 and 3. So the point which are nearer to this and not this and not this, so let's say here is a point x. So what we'll do, we'll calculate the distance of this point x from this centroid and this centroid, and whichever centroid this is point is closest, that point will go to that cluster, and then we do it repetitively and we found our uh, clusters and our data points belongs to which group. So I'll draw these points. So let me have my quadratic plane. So point 1 1 and minus 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 will come somewhere here, 1, and let's say 1 here. So 1 comma 1 will come here, and minus 1 comma 1, so minus 1 let's say here, and 1 is here, so minus 1 comma 1 here will come somewhere here. So 1 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 1. Now we need to know that which of these points are also the part of the same cluster 3. So for being the part, it should, that one should be between these points. Because if it is not, then we can't surely say that that will be a part of this cluster only. Okay, so let's say some point is here, then we can't clearly say it. It is possible that a cluster forms from this side and a cluster forms another side, and we don't know about that. Same way, if it is somewhere up or down, then we can't be sure. Let's say some point is here, so a cluster can form this side and another cluster can form this side. So these points can be part of cluster 3 and there can be another cluster. So another point to be in the same cluster, and for us to necessarily say that that point should lie between these 2 points. Okay, so I'll draw other points which are given as options, and let's see which one satisfy these conditions. So first one is 0 comma 0, which comes here at the origin. Next one is 0 comma 2, which comes somewhere here, 0 comma 2. Then there is 2 comma 0, which will come somewhere here, and then there is 0 comma 1, which will come somewhere here. So if you see, we can't be sure about this point or these 2 points, but this point 0 comma 1 will lies again in this line. So now it is not possible that these 2 points are part of the same cluster, but this point is not. It is just simply not possible. So this point has to necessarily be the part of the same cluster. So the correct option will be option D, 0 comma 1. Thank you.